people. Hi guys, it's Zoe Cakes. Today we're going to be doing the Flavored Lip Balm set. It includes everything we need. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So first, let's open this. This comes with one little bag and this. We'll kick that if we need it. So let's open this up. So it comes with strawberry flavoring, lip shimmer, tropical fruit flavoring, berry flavoring, wax chips, a measuring cup. These are the following instructions: a spatula, a spoon, and 5 cases to put the lip balms in and wax base. Let's get started. So let's pull out the instructions. Whoa. Wow, this is a lot of instructions. Okay, so this one we don't need. I think these ones are the instructions. Oh yeah, here's step 1. Okay. Using the spoon, place 3 scoops of wax base into a small measuring cup. Okay, so we need these 3 right now. It's open now. Alright, so 3 scoops of our wax base. Look. This is tiny. Okay, so that's number 1. Okay. It's number 2, you guys. We only need 1 more. Alright. This is the last one. And number 3. Alright, let's see what it says next, guys. We're gonna add 26 wax chips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, now we're all done with the wax and the wax chips. So now let's see what it says next, you guys. Alright, we're gonna do the next one, so let's go. Step 2, you guys. There is 6 steps. Have an adult fill a shallow cup or a bowl large enough for the measuring cup to fit inside. Thanks, Mom! This is so cool, you guys. So watching it melt is so satisfying. Don't make a moment. Waxy. Okay, it's starting to all of the wax is dissolved or mixed in. Almost there, guys. So I got the kit before I moved because I just moved. As you can see, I'm in my brand new kitchen right now. So I've been waiting to do this video. I'm like this is so much fun right now. I moved to the Bay Area. So in San Francisco, it's like this cat cafe. I love to go to it. So it's like filled with cats, and it has chocolate milk for the kids and coffee for the adults. And there's also like a bunch of cookies, and like it's so cool. It's called the Kitty Cafe. All right, almost all the lights is gone. There's also like this BAGM museum. I love going to it. It's like so much fun. It's called the Bay Area Discovery Museum. It's so much fun. And there's also the Bay Aquarium where you get to meet a bunch of sea animals, and you sometimes you get these like little hats, and you get stamps. So if you need to like go anywhere and you gotta leave the Bay Aquarium, you can just come right back in and you show them your stamp. It's so cool. I think this is good enough. So I have it expanded right now from the orthodontist because I had a crossbite. So I'm just keeping this in for like a couple of months. I don't know why I'm gonna take it out. But yeah, I just have this in right now. I think I'm gonna do all of the flavors in one. And then I'm gonna put some shimmer in it. And I'm gonna put it in this one right here. And then I think I'm gonna name it Colorful Lip. Yeah, Colorful Lip. That's what I'm gonna name it. So it says that we can mix two flavors to make one flavor. So I'm gonna do the mix of tropical fruit and strawberry to make tropical strawberry. So let's do that. Take this out real quick. Okay, open these. So this one. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 drops of tropical fruit. Okay? Let's do this. 1, 2. Alright. And then I'm gonna add 2 drops of strawberry. 1, 2. And I'm gonna add some lip shimmer. 1, 2. Alright, let's mix that. Whoa, it's making an orange kind of color. Oh, it smells so good, guys. It smells so good, you guys. I'm not even kidding. Like, it smells so good. Yeah, pour the lip balm into container. Alright, you guys. Try not to make a mess. Alright, you guys are sitting in the fridge right now. Well, wait, let's think about what we're gonna name it. I think I'm gonna name the one that I just finished Colorful Lip. I got a Sharpie right here. Alright, let's take them out of the fridge. Still pretty warm on top a little bit. Alright, let's name them. So this one is gonna be Colorful Lip. Alright, you guys, let's try it out. That's really good. This is so much fun. Thanks you guys for watching this. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.